So long, suckers!
Buenos dias. We are finally in Puerto Rico. We arrived in San Juan yesterday afternoon. We're exhausted, but got to see a little bit of where we're staying in Old San Juan. But I wanted to show you a little bit around our Airbnb, although everyone else is sleeping, so I'm gonna be quiet. So let's start from the entry. Place is absolutely gorgeous. Huge. We are right in the center of Old San Juan. Probably the best part. Restaurant right there, and that right there is a hookah bar and a regular bar too. And there's shops. Amazing.
Bueno, sí.
In front of the old city walls. We are in front of the old city. San Juan, the capital of Puerto Rico, is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the United States. It was founded by the Spanish in 1519, and its city walls and forts were constructed between the 1500s and 1800s to protect against pirates and other European colonists, including the Dutch, the English, and the French. Old San Juan includes a combination of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture and beautiful blue cobblestone streets. Near the city walls and the governor's mansion stands one of the most famous sites in Old San Juan. La Rogativa sculpture commemorates a 1797 religious procession led by women that, according to legend, spooked away the British Armada during a planned invasion. Castillo San Felipe del Morro is a citadel built in the 1500s. It's one of the most popular sites in Old San Juan, and perhaps the most windy, super popular with kite flyers. The fort sits at the tip of San Juan and was built to guard the entrance to the San Juan Bay and defend the city. It is now a World Heritage Site and attracts more than 2 million visitors each year.
Wow.
Yeah, mine's bomb. View from our patio rooftop. We have the pool to ourselves. Wonderful vacation. Cheers.
Cheers.
The bean limping up the path in the jungle. We're at the tower on top of Yunque National Forest.
Wow.
I made it. I need a good chunk of that bone on my elbow.
Good steering. Half of that slide was on the rock.
I know.